Well, another day to do laundry. Yeah, here, do my laundry. I'm on third rinse here. Can't afford a... Actually, I do not want to walk all the way to the laundromat. So, we're doing it by hand. And by feet. Excuse this mess here, if you see it. Well, you know, I don't see it on frame, but yep, it's like I'm squashing grapes, but I'm not. I'm squashing laundry. Any way to save $1. Yep. Then I gotta lay it out to dry in the sun. The old bathtub here where I did 1 or 2 Fabio Crawls gun and bathtub hours shows. The wig, the old John. The old John. If only he could come back. If I do come back, everyone's going to think I'm nuts. Someone told me, John, stop acting like you're sane when you're insane. Yeah, I'm bending over here because I don't know if I'm in frame or not. While I'm talking, you may just be getting the bottom of my legs. Yep. I could take a bath, but this may irritate my skin, the detergent. Yeah. Welcome to John's laundry time. Has to be done somehow. The old-fashioned way. Clothes are getting clean. I gotta wring them out. This is the last run. Last one. Keep on going. Oh God, I'm tired. The human washing machine, me. At least I'm not in the riverbank in the old days when I used to wash it. Out in the river. Well, yep, that water's getting dirty. Again, for like the 3rd time. Hopefully his clothes are clean enough. I'm gonna wring them out next. Get them outside. Oh. If you want to lose weight, folks, do your laundry in the bathtub. I recommend it. Great workout. Maybe I should try to dance. Do some dancing. By myself. Da-da-da. Yeah, I'm 2-stepping. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward step. Yeah, forward step. I'm cleaning my laundry in the bathtub because the washing machine is gone and doesn't work anymore. I wasted $1 on the washing machine here, and I don't think my landlord will ever replace it. I would rather save $1 for a trip someplace and do my laundry the old-fashioned way. Ugh. Enough of that.